Will this work for me? This is a question I hear very often, and the answer is simple. Yes. When you apply this proven, battle tested combination of faith, science, and the Love Made Simple protocol, it works every single time. Yes. Even for you too. I know what you're thinking. So when you're watching those TikTok videos or YouTube tutorials and Facebook and finding like those challenges just aren't helping you find your one true love, then get your pen and paper out and join me for a free call. I can't wait to explore what God has for you. He's so good and his love is big. When you're ready to learn how to take that next step forward, just for your own transformation, book a call, click the link below, and I just wish you a blessing and peace over your day, and I hope to see you again soon. P.S. Can you imagine a few years from now when it all works out for you, finally, with the best man of God's choosing, the guy who actually loves you, sees you, values you, and knows you, and can also lead you with the power of the Holy Spirit? Woo! That's powerful stuff. So I can see it for you. Borrow some of my faith. Join me for a free call and see how we can help you on your journey in your own personal story of love. See you again soon.